Hello, this is Lightkeepers 124th Inquiry series about unification. This time I would like to talk about the purpose and the expected result of our North Korean policy. The government issues are just like the human body. If it is mishandled, the side effects result in a burden to the people. If they were internal issues, it might be straightened without difficulty. However, if they were external issues, it might not be straightened out so easily. Then let's look over our internal policies and find out. Then let's look over our external policies and find out what is wrong and consider the countermeasures, if there were any. Our external policy is mainly based on the policy toward North Korea. Then we have got to consider the purpose, reality, and its result, and the expected future. First of all, we should realize that there are few principles that we have to keep as a nation who is predestined to unify our land. First, our policy toward the North must be based on the purpose of unification. Second, in the process of unification, the basic spirit of free democracy should not be damaged. Third, there should not be any retaliation in the process of unification. Fourth, every critical element of conflict must be eliminated before unification, and so on. There wouldn't be any differences of opinion about the above in the sense of our nation's present emotions. Now, let's look over our policy toward the North, if it matches with the purpose that I described above, and if it will match in the future. To do the job, we have got to consider what we have done for a relationship between two Koreas and America. First, we adopted a peaceful coexistence policy. Second, we pushed ahead the policy of abolition of North Korea's nuclear weapons. Third, our government helped Chairman Kim's colorful appearance to the international stage. Fourth, an entrenchment of the two countries between Korea and America, and so on. Next, we have got to analyze what those policies that we took brought us. In other words, was it necessary for our future and the unification? 1. The policy, peaceful coexistence between the two Koreas, actually means not the unification, but just to coexist, leaving the 38th parallel division line, which could be a matter of conflict. 2. The policy about the North nuclear weapon actually is not a concern of South Korea, but a concern of all other neighboring countries as far as unification is concerned. 3 and 4. As for Chairman Kim's colorful appearance on the international stage and an entrenchment of Korea and America, I would like to leave it to you whether it's helpful or not for our future and unification. Then what should our policy B. To clear out our mishandled northern policy. Our policy toward the north should be based not on peaceful coexistence, but peaceful unification. To the ever so dear and respectable 80 million of my fellow citizens and politicians, it has been more than 100 years since we were united as a full country. Let's consider unification more seriously. Thank you.